Hey everybody, Pastor Padron here, and today I am going to smoke and review a tin of Warped King's Stride. Up until recently, Warped tobaccos were exclusively available online. Now they are available at your local tobacconist shop. I have never had King's Stride before, and it recently came into our shop, and so I wanted to open up my first tin of this with you, share with you my thoughts, and let you know what I think of this Virginia Perique blend. Before I open it up, let's read what the tin says here. King's Stride. Rich, regal Louisiana Perique commands attention as deep, complex notes of dark fruit and chocolate develop the palate. Poised. With balance and grace, the flavors of fine Virginia leaf and alluring matured Burley enhance the Perique's lavish character. Elegant. A sumptuous selection of cigar leaf pressed and steamed into an exquisite Cavendish bestows unsurpassed delicacy and mystique. Well, it sounds really good. I love the artwork here. Let's open this up. And what is inside is a plug. Raisiny, figgy, earthy, naturally sweet. There's almost like a little bit of like a molasses kind of sweetness to it. Whoa! It's a really deep, earthy sweetness.
Oh my God!
All right, let's see if we can cut this plug and load up the pipe. All right, the moisture level is a little bit on the damp side, but my experience has been that is not always a detriment. Let's load this up. Since it's a little damp and the flakes fell right apart, I'm not going to pack it very tight. Let's light it up and see what we got. Well, no surprise, right off, I can taste the cigar leaf. It is a warped tobacco after all. And I'm pleasantly surprised it lit right up and looks like it's going to stay lit. It's definitely got that cigar quality, very earthy, rich, deep earth tones to it. There's a little smokiness to it as well. I can really appreciate the Burleys too, the nuttiness that they bring, the subtle earthy quality of them. Kind of lingering in the background is that stone fruit note from the Virginias. So far, I get plenty of cigar leaf.
Yes.
I can appreciate the Burley and the Virginias. The thing I'm not really picking up is the Perique.
Bruh.
That earthiness has developed into a very kind of a unsweetened dark cocoa kind of flavor. Wow. That's very nice. I can definitely pick up the Perique and the retrohale. It's got that nice raisiny spice. Now that I'm a little ways down the bowl, the Perique is starting to become more obvious on my palate. Almost like a dark chocolate fig raisin kind of experience. I'll say this too, it's a very full-bodied tobacco. It's got lots of strong flavor. Those flavors of earth, chocolate, nuts, raisins, figs, they are very intense. I think it's a fairly strong tobacco as well, as in vitamin N. You know what I mean. On a side note, when you're talking about tobacco, whether you're talking about cigars or pipe tobacco, when you refer to the body of something, you're talking about the intensity of the flavors. So when you say something is full-bodied, that means the flavors are very full, very strong, very potent. When you talk about strength, now you're talking about nicotine content. About halfway down the bowl, I'm noticing that it's getting a lot creamier as well. The two major players are the cigar leaf Cavendish and the Perique. The Virginia and the Burley are strong supporting flavors. That earthy, chocolatey, raisiny kind of sweetness is buttressed by the stone fruit of the Virginias, the nuttiness and earthiness of the Burleys in here. It's very nice. The sweetness also increases as I get further down the bowl. All right. King's Stride by Warped Tobacco. This is a very strong, earthy Virginia Perique blend. The cigar leaf in here is very evident. It's a major part of the blend. No big surprise there. I was kind of expecting that. I would have been surprised if that wasn't there. If you are looking for a different kind of Virginia Perique blend, this is a nice change up to the Virginia Perique blend. The cigar leaf Cavendish in there adds a dimension that you don't really see in other Virginia Periques, and I found it very, very enjoyable. I like darker, stronger tobaccos, so this tobacco was very pleasant to me. If you are more of a medium or light bodied smoker, this might be a little bit much for you. But if you are looking for something that is darker and richer, or something to be more full-bodied as a nightcap at the end of the day, King's Stride might be something that is right up your alley. I appreciate you watching. Those are my thoughts. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and let me know what you think in the comments yourself, all right? And I will see you again soon. Stay smoky, my friends, and that's not just blowing smoke.